guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now we're gonna do some first impression on this DALSTRONG compact 2-pocket knife bag, which I bought it on Amazon for $139. Here you can convert it onto peso. So first have like there's a tape on it on the side. So once you open it, there you go. There's some good packaging. Very good packaging. So you have these cards. So I don't know. Thank you cards and care cards. It's like my purse designer bag. So open like that. So it has some dust bag on it. Very fancy. There you go. Once you open it, here. There's some logo on it. Text. Very good quality, guys. So I'm sorry if it's so dark. So it has 2 pockets. First, there you go, where you put all the knives. Here, I hope you can see it. And the second one will be this one. Oh, some accessories and stuff. So this bag is made of military grade nylon. It's very good quality, guys. Hope you can see how it is. Has leather straps and handles. And there you go. So has 15 slots for knives, and then take this apart. There you go. And then the color is charcoal black. There you go. Very fancy. So I can put the knife here. Try it out. Put it here. See. Some small knives. Can put my sister. Maybe here. I don't fit. And my steel rod. Like that, so we can close it up. Hope you can see it good. Close it, and then the other side, you can put that some peelers, some thermometer, scissors and stuff. And I have here some sharpener. There we go. Close it up. And then it's made like very good quality materials, you know. It comes with a strap. Remove the straps. Okay. Put it in. Oh. So like this. And look at that. It's very, very strong. It's hard to put it in. There we go. So there you go, guys. My DALSTRONG compact 2-packet night bag, to where you can buy it on their website or you can buy it on Amazon for $139. Sometimes they have promo, so you can ship anywhere. So I hope you like this video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. So see you in my next vlog.